welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to start new wallet review. That name is Phantom, and this video is only for that person who wants to use Solana network. So if you want to get this information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Solana wallet, and if you need to buy or sell or make an account on this extension, so how can you do? So simple, watch this video till end. So let's start. You can see here that my YouTube channel is open in front of me. In last videos we have discussed about OKX wallets, and almost 15 to 20 videos available on this my YouTube channel. Simple, visit and watch all videos if you are going to use Google, and you just simple type here Solana wallet. Solana wallet extension available here. When you search on it, you can see here there's 4 to 5 wallets available here: Solfair and extensions, and Guada wallet, and number 4 is Phantom wallet. So I will discuss on this wallet in this video. So first I need to install, and after that I will create account on this wallet. You can see here the Phantom dot app is open in front of me. I just simple click on it, and now you can see here the official Phantom app application is open in front of me. You just simple visit this application and get the more information about it. Keep everything in one place, multiple chains, one wallet, no more switching. Showcase your NFT collection here. Powerful tool made for everyone. 2 more with NFT, pin, hide, burn, and test. Many information available on this website. Simple, go to visit and watch or listen. You can see here download Phantom to get started. Simple click on this download Google Chrome extension. After that, new page will be open in front of me where I can download the extension. You can see here Phantom show option is available here. Add to Google Chrome. Simple, read and change all your data on this website. Add extension, and waiting for this. You can see here the extension is going to download and automatically installed in my browser. We just wait for the complete all performing on this option. You can see here there's 2 options available here, and the Phantom is available here. If I'm going to pin here, so you can see here there's shown just simple pin, then the icon shown here. And to get started, create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. There's 2 options: create a new wallet and import existing wallet. So we have a newcomer on this wallet, so that I'm going to create a new wallet. The first option is available here. Just simple click on it, and after that you can see here you will use the unlock your wallet. So I'm going to enter my password here like my bank account, and you can also set secure password on your wallet, and after enter or set your password, simple click on I agree, and I agree to the terms and services. You must read. This video is only for education purpose, so I'm not going to read the terms and services. You just simple click on continue. If you want to read, so simple click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on continue option, and waiting for this. You can see a secret recovery phase. This phase is only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. So viewers, please keep in your mind, do not share your secret phases to anyone. If you do this, so you will find your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. Simple as that. You can see here your all phrases is available here, and I'm going to try copy all phrases, or otherwise I will type here Control A. I think not all phrases will be copied. So now I'm going to open the notepad file for one by one copy or paste. You can see here copy, or you can just type. I'm going to highlight the phrases and type on. Yes, you can see here. I'm going to also type my all phrases. Then I will make multiple copies. You must type all phrases correctly, otherwise you will not recover your wallet. Okay, keep in your mind. So last three words remaining. So I write or type all phrases on my notepad file. So before going to click on continue button, you must check cross check your all phrases is correct. No spelling mistake on that. Otherwise you can't recover your account. Okay. So I have click on save my speaker phrases. Click on continue. Now you are done. Okay. Now viewers, my wallet is successfully created. You can see here read all information, welcome to Bitcoin and understood. And now you can see here my Phantom wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here I have saved all my note phrases on this notepad file. So keep in your mind, please don't use these phrases for personal use, otherwise your fund will be lost, because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay. After stop this video, I will make the multiple copy of these phrases, like I will write in my personal diary, also make the print, and also save the notepad file in other USB or device, because sometimes your system window laptop or crash, so you must need to recover your wallets. You must have these information. Okay, so as I hope you properly understand how can you download, how to install, how to create account, all information in this video. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.